everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to tie the snake knot. Let's get started. To begin, you're going to need a piece of rope, and mine for this video is measured about 34 inches long, and you're going to want to fold that rope right in half. Once your rope is folded in half, we're going to take the rope on the right side and we're just going to curl it up to form a loop. So it just curls right up to form that loop. And then we're going to take this rope here on the left and send the end from behind to go through the loop. So it just goes under and then back over. Then we're going to take that left rope that we just sent through the loop and send it over the rope on the right, and then behind and through the loop. And then we're just going to give everything a gentle tug to tighten it up. And that is our first snake knot. Our next pass is just a repeat of what we just did. So we're going to take the right rope, curl it up to form a loop. We send the string on the left under and through that loop and pull it through. Then we take that same string on the left and send it over the right string, then behind, and it comes up through the loop. And we just pull it tight. We pull it tight to get rid of the slack and to put it right under the previous knot. And then we will just keep repeating these steps until we have the length of snake knots that we want. And there you go. That is how you can tie the snake knot. This knot is often used to make lanyards. It's really great for keychains, and it would be great as a bracelet pattern. You could also get creative and use this in macrame wall hangings or plant hangers. I do believe this knot works best with a more sturdy, stiff material, so your braided cord or paracord, but you could also use it for twisted cords as well if you choose. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.